Racism and hatred and violence and abuse are not things of the past. The story I shared of my great-grandfather's kidnapping by the Ku Klux Klan that occurred over, it's actually exactly 100 years ago, is the same story of now. Discrimination and the institutionalization of racism is in the fabric of our country. We know this. So now the question is, where do we go and what are we going to do about it? As scientists, as clinicians, as educators, as advocates, as executives, I believe they're policymakers and writers and government officials, as well as patients and consumers in this audience. What happens when our rubber meets the road? Truthfully, honestly, earnestly, what are you doing to change the future and chart a new course that is paved in hope, health, equality, and love? The disparities in health outcomes, the inequities that could not go unnoticed as a result of COVID-19 are the results of deeply embedded structural and cultural racism, interpersonal discrimination, and the inequities in public systems. Are we being truthful about the amount of effort we're putting into changing our future? Are we truly investing in preventing disease and improving the human condition? Or are we investing in maintaining the status quo? I'm kind of tired of talking about we need more data. I think we know what we know, and now we need to act upon it. The time is actually now. We must be truthful. We must be brave. We must be determined if we're going to tackle the social ills, eliminate health disparities, achieve equity, and address all of the stressors that are causing dis-ease. We must be brave. We must be courageous if we're going to stop the proliferation of infections that shut down our economy. And we must be honest and brave about the causes of the civil unrest that are plaguing our nation.